Welcome to our channel.
Today, we will learn about different tools used in the gardening. Let's begin. Rake, rake. Hand trowel, hand trowel. Shovel, shovel. Pruning shears, pruning shears. Pruning saw, pruning saw. Spade, spade. Garden hose, garden hose. Watering can, watering can. Lawnmower, lawnmower. Wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow. Hedge shears, hedge shears. Hedge trimmer, hedge trimmer. Hoe, hoe. Gardening gloves, gardening gloves. Scythe, scythe. Axe, axe. Ladder, ladder. Bucket, bucket. Garden fork, garden fork. Spray bottle, spray bottle.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.